My washing machine is not rinsing.
Too much bubble makes washing machine trouble.
Yes, Sue, you are a poet and I am sure you know it.
Yes, I do, but getting back to your problem, lots of times, when a machine will not rinse, it is because there is a lid switch malfunction. This can be checked. The lid switch may not be striking, and can cause the machine not to rinse.
Wow, a simple switch would do all that.
Yes, it could, and it is more common than people realize.
Can I order the part online?
Yes, there are many places you can order the part online. Sears is an example. This is one of the things that you can check and order easily.
Are there any other possibilities, in terms of a washing machine not rinsing?
I think that the other things are, that you can do, is to check where the water level is. If it feels like it is not filling all the way, do not be too concerned. The water just needs to cover the agitator. You can use an ohmmeter that you can get from Home Depot, or an electrical supply place, as another fix. You can measure the voltage coming in and out of the machine. Make sure that the voltage level is where it should be for the appliance.
That may totally take care of my problem.
You may have to consult with a professional, if the voltage is too low.
I could do that, Jan. I am so proud of myself that I took that home repair course.
Reach around, and pat yourself on the back, girl.
Yeah, I will, and thank you, you Martha Stewart.